Krishna, have you ever noticed how we learn to become a Filipino?
Yeah. Since we were kids, our families, friends, and community have been teaching us.
Right. That process is called enculturation.
Enculturation is the process where a person learns the culture, values, traditions, and behavior of their society.
For example, doing mano to elders, eating together with family, or even singing karaoke during gatherings.
Sometimes, we don't even notice it, but that is how we learn who we are and where we belong.
But what if isang araw you suddenly forgot how to be a Filipino?
What do you think would happen?
Doctors do not delay death, but improve the quality of life. All health professionals, regardless of their fields, play a vital role in every person's life.
Wait, where am I?
Sa wakas anak, gising ka na.
Anak? Who are you?
English yarn? Ako, tatay mo. Pero ako daw, sir.
Wait, what language are you speaking?
Ay nako, pati pagiging Pilipino nakalimutan na.
Ciao po.
Oo na, Heb, kayo pala yan. Pasok kayo na, makakain na tayo.
Man. Why is there so much rice?
Anak, Pilipino tayo.
Hindi kompleto ang pagkain pag walang kanin. Oh, tikman mo tong adobo. Wow, that's good.
Adobo yan, Filipino delicacy. Kain ka ng marami.
Uy, ang sarap niyan.
Hello! Andito, thank you pala ha. Kasi tinulungan mo kami ng hospital, Seb. Andito oh.
How are you po?
Ando ko na, yan yung tita mo, kapatid ko. Yan yung tumulong sa atin nung na-hospital ka.
Thank you.
Class, what makes us Filipino?
Hospitality po.
Family rented ko. Mahilig sa piyesta.
Ikaw ba?
But I forgot everything about being a Filipino.
Heb, culture is not just memory. It is something we practice every day.
Uy, bro, tayo natin yung laro. Guys? Try tayo, bro.
Kuya, ikaw bantay.
Pangarap, laging kasama ka. Ikaw, alaala.
Huli, 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 huli.
Uy, what's that?
Heb, kumain ka na ba? Oh, kumain ka pa? Kumain ka na? Isa pa, kain ka pa.
DJ Arizona.
B is for Budots, 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 Budots.
When I woke up in the hospital, I didn't remember anything, not even what it meant to go to Italy.
Pero hindi ka namin pinabayaan, tropa.
Tinulungan ka lang naming maalala ang lahat.
Because culture is something we practice every day.
Sa pamilya, sa kaibigan,
At sa komunidad.
doon natin natutunan kung sino tayo.
For the hearts that never played in tune, like a love